Hello, everyone there at Pineda General Construction. I hope you're fine. You're doing well. My name is Charles. Thanks for responding to me by text. Like I had said, I found you on Facebook. I am with Facebook suggested your business to me. I am with Warley Digital. It's a small company here in Philadelphia. What I do is that I help businesses grow organically using their website, search engine optimization, and Google ads, Facebook ads, etc. That's me in the picture right there. All right, so let's take a look at your website. The reason I'm making these videos is so that, well, one thing I realized, business owners are too busy to actually learn these skills and implement them. Even though they know what to do, sometimes they're really busy. And then another reason is that there's so much information out there, and there's so many people who say they're experts at web design and SEO, search engine optimization, etc. I want to prove myself. I want to give you free tips that you can use yourself. You can take them, implement them, or if you like what you see, if you like what I have to say, we can work together. Because my goal, and I show it here on the website, my goal is to give value to businesses. All right, so the three tips I want to talk to you about today are content, citations, and backlinks. So let's start with content. Content is everything that's on your page. Google reads all of this content. So, for example, everything I've highlighted, all the text, the pictures, the words behind the pictures, even what your picture is saved as. For example, this picture here, I can tell that you saved it as this random string of letters and numbers. Google reads that, so it's important to save your pictures with certain keywords. Now, it depends on your niche, but by keywords, what I mean are those words that people go to Google to look for, and I'll show you why that's important. So, to optimize with Google, you need about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text showing what you do, who you are, the services you perform. And I can tell by these pictures, you guys have some quality work. So Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words, authoritative text that's saturated with keywords. Now, what are these keywords I'm talking about? Keywords are the words or the phrases people type into Google to look for your company. For example, I can tell you do home remodeling. So if I was to go into Google, I would say home remodeling Philadelphia. That's the typical search. Now, with this keyword, there are tools for you to know how many people search for this per month. This is a popular tool called Ahrefs. And I'm going to go to the Keyword Explorer, and I'll put in the keyword home remodeling Philadelphia. And you can see that 150 people look for that every month. And then you can also tell which websites are getting the traffic. For example, Kaufman Remodeling, this is one of your competitors. They get 16 people just because of this one keyword. Mind you, when people are going to your website for a service like yours, general construction, home remodeling, roofing, deck repair, they're going with the intent to buy. They want that service. So I'm sure that he converts a big chunk of the 16 people to be customers per month. So I guess even having five more, if you could steal 5 people from him, that would be good for your kind of niche, because it's high quality, high cost niche. So it's important to saturate your website with these keywords. And let's take a look at this competitor of yours. I'm going to go and overview their website. Look at these organic keywords that they're ranking for. So it's a good idea to research your competitor and find out, like this keyword, home remodeling contractors Philadelphia, or home remodeling Philadelphia. We saw that 40 people search for that every month. 7 people go to his website because of that. Basement remodeling Philadelphia, 150 people search for that per month. and he gets 3 people going to his website because he is in the 10th position on Google. So you can see that it's important to rank, to have these keywords on your website so that Google can pick you up. Okay, so that's for content. Next thing is citations. Now let's go back to the Google search. If I'm looking for business, if I'm looking for a general contractor Philadelphia, first I'll see these Google ads. Sometimes some people have a ad blocker, so they wouldn't see the Google ad. So I tell people Google ads are always hit or miss. And then you have this section here called a map pack. Now this map pack, how to rank here, how do you get here? That's the question. And you get here by citations. Citations are anywhere on the internet in different directories that your name, address, and phone number are listed. For example, in Yelp, in LinkedIn, Dexnos, House, yellowpages.com, superpages.com, etc. Those kind of directories. The more you're in, the more authoritative ones you're in, the higher you will rank here, and then you'll show up here on the first page if you can beat your competitors. Again, there are tools where you can go and analyze what your competitor has and make sure you double or even triple their citations so that you can remain here. The third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, backlinks has to do with this next section of the search. How do you appear here? Number 1, 2, 3, etc. in Google. So you appear here by having better and stronger backlinks than your competitors. Backlinks, if you think of the internet as a connection of web pages, a backlink is where one web page links directly to you. So that one web page is going directly to your site, sending traffic your way. Now, there are other ways, there are ways that you can tell how many backlinks your competitor has, and then you can actually defeat them with the backlinks. For example, let me go back to the tool. Let's see. Remember Kaufman Remodeling? We can look at their backlinks. And you can go and research where they are linked, who's linking to them. And then it's very easy to go onto these websites and make sure that you appear on those websites linking to you. So the job of whoever is doing your website or SEO, search engine optimization, is to go look at the backlinks and make sure you're defeating your competition. And in that way, you'll start to rank higher for all of these keywords that you will put on your page, which remember you have to put good keywords on your page so that Google can pick you up. Home remodeling contractor, 2,000 people search for that. Home improvement, bathroom. Make sure you have these keywords, so that requires research. So thank you very much. That's all I wanted to say. There's also one thing I wanted to show you. I actually have made a home remodeling website for Philadelphia. Home Remodeling Philadelphia. This is my website. I've created it. It has enough text on it, enough keywords, etc. And I can do the same for you. Bathroom. These are just 3 services. Now I know you do deck building and so many other home repair services, which we can always put them here, and also your locations, etc. That's if you would like to go with me. Thank you very much. Actually, before I leave, I just want to show you. If I search for Home Remodeling Philadelphia, look at the top of the map pack. That's my website. I'm already ranking here. So this is just evidence, and I just want to show you that actually I can build. I'm not yet ranking here because I'm still building on my backlinks, but it's just evidence showing you that what I do has value and it's actually working. All right, thank you very much, everyone there at Pineda General Construction. I hope we'll be talking soon. Please leave me some feedback. I'll reach out to you for feedback, but I hope this helps you. Give it to whoever does your website, or whoever does your search engine optimization, so that you can start getting more clients. If you would like to work with me, again, I am Charles, Wally Digital. Here's my phone number. and my email address, info@waledigital.com. Well, you have my phone number because I texted you. Thank you very much, and take care.